We're out here at the in-laws house, and they have a black locust tree that they planted a few years back, and it's really done well, but the bottom of it split in a bad storm. I want to go take a look at it. I brought something that I think will help me cinch this up. They put a rope on this tree, and that may hold it together, I don't know, for a little bit, but it's really top heavy and healthy. But man, you can see right through that tree, and I'm worried that it's just going to split. I mean, it is basically split almost to the ground level. So I've got some all thread right here, which is 1/2 inch diameter, and I want to place that right here, and I'll cut it off with a Sawzall, put big washers and nuts on it, and we'll see if we can pull this tree together and see if we can save it. I've got this ratchet strap, and what I'm going to try to do is wrap it around this tree and pull this trunk together. Once I get it together, I'll drill it, bolt it, and we'll see if the tree would actually grow around it, pull itself together, heal itself. If it won't, we tried. I don't know what else to do. We'll probably have to pull it out. So we'll do this and see if we can save it. Just attach these to each other out here, keep the metal away from the bark so I don't hurt the tree, and then let's just watch. See this here? Look at this gap down here as I ratchet this. See that? I've got a 1/2 inch drill bit here, and I've also got a 1/2 inch piece of all thread. I chose all thread just because I didn't know how wide this would actually be, so I'm showing up kind of blind to this, but most bolts at the hardware store go up to about 8 inches, maybe 10 inches, and I knew I need a little bit more than that. So let's drill this, and we'll get that all thread in there. We'll drill through. Got some nice big washers with a really big surface area, like fender washers. I'm going to double the washers just so I get a little bit more strength plus surface area. And then I bought these lock nuts so that if the tree's moving and flexing, it doesn't back the nut out. So I've got the all thread in here. What I'm going to do is put the large washer on first, then the smaller washer, and then I'm going to put this locking nut on here. And I've got an impact, and I'll drill this in as far as it'll go. The all thread may start spinning on me, and that's okay, and it is. So I think that's pretty good there. It's a good start. And then I'll come over here and I'll run this on the all thread on the other side. Put the large washer on first, then the smaller washer, and then the other lock nut. We'll see if this threads on for me. I just cut it with a Sawzall, so there's a possibility this isn't going to go real well at first. There it goes. All right, thread it on. Okay, that looks like it pulled it even tighter. That really looks good. All right, let's watch this crack and see what happens when I let off of the ratchet strap here. All right, so I think we're good here. Okay, Nicole, if you zoom in here, see how I cut the ends off this all thread so nobody can scratch themselves. And then I've just got some camouflage paint from the garage. I'll put a little bit of this on here just so it's not an eyesore. That in a little bit. The last thing I want to do here is these, if you just look up, look at the canopy on this. It's so dense and heavy that it's catching so much wind. I'm going to actually go up in here and start cutting some of the branches. I'm going to leave the tree the exact same size. I'm just going to thin it. Okay, we went in this tree and we thinned it out. So now you can at least see through the tree, and my hope is that when the wind hits it now, it won't beat the tree up so much and it'll pass through instead of trying to push the tree over. So the tree maintained the majority of its shape. If you look over here, you can see how dense these trees are. It's just, you can't even hardly see through that one. But I took 2 pickup truckloads of wood out of that tree. So I kind of like how airy it is and wispy it is. So we'll see what the in-laws think.